Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to transform into the iconic Billie Eilish. So with my blue contacts and wig ready, we are going to start off by filling in the eyebrows with a warm brown eye pencil. We want the eyebrows to start off straight and lead into an angular shape. Moving on to the eyes, apply a light pink eyeshadow onto the lids. Then take a warm brown and apply it to the outer corners of your crease. Then go back in with the pink eyeshadow onto the lower lash line. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that way I can see you in my next video.